Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. Albert Einstein. Watch until the end. The final anatomical nuance explains its survival advantage. Scopeloberyx opisthopterus belongs to the family Alepocephalidae, commonly known as slickheads. It inhabits bathypelagic zones, typically between 800 and 2,000 meters, where sunlight is absent and bioluminescence dominates visual signaling. The body is elongated, laterally compressed, and covered in smooth, delicate scales. Coloration often appears reddish-brown. At depth, red wavelengths are rapidly absorbed, rendering red organisms effectively black, a functional camouflage strategy. The eyes are relatively large compared to many abyssal species. Unlike fully blind deep-sea fishes, Scopeloberyx opisthopterus retains functional visual capacity, optimized for detecting faint bioluminescent signals. The dorsal fin is positioned posteriorly, reflected in the species name opisthopterus, meaning rear fin. This placement subtly shifts hydrodynamic balance and stabilizes controlled, low-energy cruising. Midwater predators and prey both rely on minimal movement to avoid detection. Energy conservation is central. Midway through this analysis, consider Darwin's adaptive principle. It is not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent but the one most responsive to change. Charles Darwin. Scopeloberyx opisthopterus demonstrates selective retention. It did not eliminate vision entirely. It refined it. Here is the overlooked structural feature. The posterior fin placement increases longitudinal stability during slow propulsion. Combined with elongated body geometry, this reduces corrective muscular effort during hovering. Over long durations in food-scarce environments, small energy savings accumulate into survival probability. The mouth is moderately sized, adapted for opportunistic feeding on small fishes, crustaceans, and zooplankton. It is not specialized for extreme predation like fang-bearing species. Instead, it occupies a mid-level trophic niche. Buoyancy control is achieved through a combination of reduced skeletal mass and tissue composition adjustments rather than reliance on large gas-filled structures. At bathypelagic depths, pressure compresses gas volumes significantly, favoring alternative buoyancy strategies. Pigmentation strategy is another critical element. Red coloration at these depths functions as invisibility, not display. Without red light penetration, predators perceive it as near black. Its ecological identity is not dramatic, it is efficient. The species illustrates a principle of deep-sea design. Optimization does not always mean reduction. Sometimes it means recalibration, preserving essential systems while eliminating excess. If this analysis clarified how midwater deep-sea fishes balance vision, buoyancy, and hydrodynamics, support the channel. Subscribe for precise, research-driven marine biology breakdowns, like this video to amplify structured scientific content, and comment which deep-sea species should be examined next. Engagement sustains high-accuracy educational analysis.